Hey, beautiful souls, it's Empress Shay. Welcome back to the Jupiter Retrograde in Cancer Healing Portal, a 30-day journey of emotional wisdom, ancestral release, intuitive awakening, and soul level rebirth. Each day, we're moving deeper into alignment, deeper into clarity, and deeper into the truth of who we are becoming. Let today's message meet you where you are, hold you with grace, and guide you with love. Let's flow. Day 22, Receiving Without Guilt. Many of us were taught to equate worth with giving, effort, or sacrifice. Today gently dissolves the belief that receiving must be earned through exhaustion, struggle, or overgiving. Jupiter retrograde in Cancer highlights emotional patterns around caretaking and self-denial. You are learning that support, love, rest, and abundance are not rewards. They are birthrights. Guilt around receiving often stems from old survival conditioning. This day invites you to notice where you instinctively deflect kindness or feel uncomfortable being supported. Healing asks you to soften, not resist. Receiving does not make you weak. It makes you balanced. This day restores emotional receptivity and challenges subconscious beliefs around worthiness, support, and abundance. Before you go, take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support truly helps this healing space reach the souls who were meant to find it. And please check out those guided meditation series that I have on the channel. They are on Healing Energies with Empress Shay and Daily Align and Evolve on my YouTube channel. These meditations are designed to support your emotional healing, alignment, and inner peace throughout Jupiter retrograde in Cancer. And also there are some abundance meditations on there as well. They're weekly abundance meditations, so it's one for each day of the week with the planet that resonates with that day. So, if you're needing grounding, clarity, or soothing energy on your journey, make sure you check those out. And don't forget, I offer weekly tarot readings for the collective on my YouTube channel, Healing Energies with Empress Shay. Every Thursday, we explore the collective energy along with the current planetary alignments so that you get a full picture of what the cosmos is activating and how that energy is moving through your life. And every Saturday, I release the Jupiter retrograde in Cancer reading, where we go deeper into the emotional and spiritual shifts happening during the retrograde season. Be sure your notifications are turned on so that you never miss a message that's meant for you. And remember, the healing portal doesn't stop here. Even though the Grand Water Trine has completed, the journey continues all the way until Jupiter retrograde ends on March 10th. This portal has always been rooted in Jupiter retrograde and Cancer's energy, activating your fourth house of home, family, and emotional roots and inner security. Because Jupiter is retrograde, The work is deeply internal, reflective, and transformative. Stay with the process. Trust what's surfacing. Honor the healing unfolding beneath the surface. Thank you for being here, and thank you for choosing this healing. And thank you for flowing with me. Beautiful souls. As Jupiter retrogrades in Cancer continues to open and cleanse our emotional world, remember, your healing is your power, your clarity is your protection, and your softness is your strength. Take what resonates, release what doesn't, and keep moving gently towards your rebirth. I'll meet you again tomorrow as we rise, align, and evolve one day at a time. Stay grounded, stay open, and stay divine. This has been Empress Shay, and have a wonderful rest of your day.